Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys my every plate box. So recently I did get a coupon, $40 off in every plate box. I personally have never heard of this food delivery service before, so I did want to try it. It's not a vegan service, so they do have like meats and vegetarian options in there, which I thought was good. But you know, it's easy to substitute some things, and I do live and I am related to people who do eat meat, so it works out in the end. I'm able to you know, give things away and substitute other things here and there. So I just want to tell you guys and show you guys what's inside my box, and then you know, you see. Oh yeah, it's so good in here. It's so cute. Oh, with every box comes a list of recipes. With this first box, I had them handpick everything, so I didn't choose the recipes for this box. They did, and yeah, I just did it to see what they would give me, and this is what they gave me. So we have ground pork. That's going to be in one of the dishes. You have ground beef. You have pork chops, and then you have the chicken breast. All right, and those are the meats that are in the dishes. Now, I put in for 2 servings for 4 days. So basically 4 different recipes for 2 people is what this box consists of. Now those are the meats, and then on my table I put the produce. So in this box you have your breads, potato buns, because I believe one day it's going to be burgers. I think it's supposed to be pork burgers, but I'm not sure. I don't fully remember. But it's going to be pork buns. It's going to be some pork burgers, or I believe smash burgers. It's one of those two. I have to look up the recipes again. And we have this interesting one called the American bread. I think that's very interesting. I didn't know that there's different names of breads until today. Okay, and then you have your different produce, of course. You have your red onion, looking fresh. Personally, I think all these vegetables look very fresh. Look, you got the red onion, you got the potatoes. Look, it looked like it comes straight from the ground, right? You have your carrots, fresh in the ground, and then your yams. Oh, I just love yams. They're so good. Oh, sweet potatoes. Sorry. But, you know, some people call it yams. And then you have your jasmine rice, which is considered to be produce, at least in this sense. Of course, produce and grains go into the box. And then your green beans. You got to have your vegetables, right? Thoroughly washed. All right. So this is what came in my box. On the every plate account, they send you the recipes and how to cook everything. It just didn't come in the box, so you guys aren't able to see that right now. But yeah, that is what came in my every plate box.